So AMC yesterday announced officially that they are going to disclose the revenues, the earnings for the first quarter of 2021 on May 6th. That's actually what you're reading here from Yahoo Finance. This article is dated from yesterday. So what it will be interesting to see here is, first of all, what kind of revenue that AMC did so far since the last quarter of 2020. I guess it won't be a surprise that the market is not expecting to have what they had previous year, because at the same time last year, which is every time you compare to, everything was closed. Nobody was going out because of the lockdowns, restrictions. So that being said, I don't think that the revenue will have a significant weight on the earnings whispers from the market expectations. Now, the other thing to look for is the guidance. The guidance is definitely, okay, this is what we did last quarter, but this is what we are expecting to do in the quarters to come. Next quarter, the quarter after that, or maybe till the end of this year. And that is most likely what will be much more interesting for AMC. Because as we have a lot more restrictions in terms of lockdown getting canceled, being lifted, it will definitely bring much more people into theaters. It will bring much more revenue into people. We've seen with few of the movies that already came out, especially Godzilla vs. Kong and Mortal Kombat, that they were already sold out right at the opening, right at the first projections on the weekend. So it's an encouragement, and with capacity, with theaters being open at reduced capacity, even though they are increasing month after month, but definitely towards summer, if by July all the countries now reopen, then definitely it will bring much more revenue. Another thing also to look into will be how much cash they are burning, because since they still have charges to pay, they still have salaries, rent, and everything, and the revenues are not as well. It will be interesting also for the market to see how they are maneuvering those costs, those charges. Are they saving some money here and there, to improve the top line, as we call it, in terms of being profitable. So definitely, guys, I see this as another boost, because if the market is interesting into those earnings, it means more people buying, more retailers, more institutionals, more professional investors, and this is all we need. So stay tuned.